What if I told you the secret to a healthier, more productive garden isn't hiding in an expensive store aisle, but already sitting in your kitchen cupboards right now? Things you use every single day can quietly transform your soil, strengthen your plants, and solve problems gardeners struggle with year after year. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, the place where simple ideas meet timeless growing wisdom. Before we jump in, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Drop your city or country in the comments and say hello. And tell me this too, are you just starting out, or do you already have a green thumb? Today I'm sharing 15 magical household garden hacks that use everyday items you already own. These tricks are easy, affordable, and surprisingly effective. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss practical gardening tips that actually work. Let's get straight into it. Hack number 1: matchsticks. A hidden sulfur source. It might sound surprising, but simple matchsticks can play a quiet yet powerful role in supporting young plants. When you gently push a few matchsticks into the soil around seedlings, the match heads slowly break down and release small amounts of sulfur. Sulfur is an essential nutrient that helps plants develop strong roots, improves nutrient absorption, and supports healthy overall growth. This is especially helpful during the early stages of a plant's life, when roots are still delicate and easily stressed. Instead of rushing to buy specialized soil additives, this everyday household item offers a slow, steady boost right where plants need it most. There's another benefit that makes this hack even more useful. Many common soil pests, including fungus gnats, are naturally repelled by sulfur. By placing matchsticks near the base of your plants, you can help reduce pest activity without spraying chemicals or disturbing the soil. This makes it a great option for indoor plants, seed trays, and small garden beds, where pests can quickly become a problem. It's simple, low cost, and easy to try, yet it delivers real results over time, proving that sometimes the most effective garden solutions are hiding in plain sight. Hack number 2: Asafoetida Hing. A powerful natural pest repellent. Asafoetida, often called hing, is known in the kitchen for its strong, unmistakable smell, and that same intense aroma is exactly what makes it valuable in the garden. Many common garden pests such as aphids, caterpillars, and beetles rely heavily on scent to locate plants, and hing completely disrupts that process. When lightly sprinkled around the base of affected plants or along garden borders, it creates an invisible shield that pests prefer to avoid. This makes it especially useful during warm seasons when insect activity increases and tender leaves are at their most vulnerable. What makes this hack even more appealing is how little you actually need. A very small amount goes a long way, and because it's a natural household ingredient, it fits well into a gentle, low-intervention gardening approach. It's ideal for gardeners who want to protect their plants without reaching for harsh sprays or chemical treatments. Over time, regular use can help reduce repeated infestations, allowing plants to grow stronger and healthier with far less stress. It's a simple trick, but one that can quietly save your garden from ongoing pest damage. Hack number 3: Banana peels. A natural potassium for stronger blooms. Banana peels are one of the most powerful yet overlooked garden helpers hiding in plain sight. Rich in potassium, they play a crucial role in helping plants develop strong stems, vibrant flowers, and better fruit production. When banana peels are buried just beneath the soil around flowering plants like roses, hibiscus, or flowering shrubs, they slowly break down and release nutrients directly into the root zone. This gradual feeding method mimics how plants receive nutrients in nature, avoiding sudden nutrient spikes while supporting long-term growth and resilience. Beyond potassium, banana peels also contain small amounts of phosphorus and other trace minerals that improve overall plant health. Over time, soil structure benefits as organic matter increases, encouraging beneficial microorganisms that help roots absorb nutrients more efficiently. This makes banana peels especially valuable in gardens where plants struggle to bloom or produce well despite regular watering. Instead of throwing peels away, turning them into soil food creates a natural cycle of nourishment that strengthens plants from the ground up and leads to richer color, fuller blooms, and a noticeably healthier garden. Hack number 4: Aspirin. A simple boost for plant immunity. Aspirin may be a medicine we associate with human health, but in the garden it can quietly support plants in a very similar way. When used carefully and in small amounts, aspirin can help activate a plant's natural defense responses, making it more resilient to stress and environmental challenges. Gardeners often turn to this trick during times when plants are vulnerable, such as after transplanting, during extreme heat, or when growth seems slow and weakened. It doesn't force growth, but instead helps plants better protect themselves. What makes this hack especially useful is its ability to support plants under pressure. Stressed plants are more likely to struggle with disease and poor development, but a mild aspirin solution can help them recover and stabilize. Over time, plants treated occasionally in this way often appear stronger, with improved vigor and more consistent growth. Used sparingly and thoughtfully, this simple household item becomes a quiet ally in keeping your garden healthy and better prepared to handle everyday challenges. Hack number 5. Epsom salt, a magnesium for deep green growth. Epsom salt has earned its place as a trusted garden helper because of its magnesium content, an essential element plants need to produce chlorophyll. When magnesium levels are low, leaves can lose their deep green color, growth slows, and plants may look tired no matter how well they're watered. Using Epsom salt correctly can help restore balance, supporting healthier leaves and more efficient photosynthesis. This is especially helpful for fast-growing plants that use up nutrients quickly. Tomatoes, peppers, and roses tend to respond particularly well when magnesium is available in the soil. Gardeners often notice fuller foliage, stronger stems, and improved overall plant vigor over time. The key with this hack is moderation and proper use, as it works best when magnesium deficiency is present, rather than as a constant treatment. When applied thoughtfully, Epsom salt becomes a simple way to help plants regain their natural strength and color without relying on complex fertilizers. Hack number 6. White vinegar, a simple natural weed solution. White vinegar is a powerful household item that can be surprisingly effective for controlling unwanted weeds in areas where plants simply don't belong. Driveways, walkways, patio edges, and cracks between paving stones are perfect places for this hack. Vinegar works by drying out the leaves of weeds on contact, causing them to wither and die back fairly quickly. For gardeners looking to keep hard surfaces clean without using commercial herbicides, this offers a straightforward and accessible option. What's important to understand is that vinegar does not discriminate between weeds and garden plants. That's why this hack is best used carefully and only in targeted spots, well away from flower beds and vegetable patches. When applied thoughtfully, it helps keep outdoor spaces tidy while reducing reliance on chemical weed killers. Used occasionally and with intention, white vinegar becomes a practical tool for maintaining clean, weed-free paths without affecting the health of your garden. Hack number 7. Baking soda, a gentle shield against pests and disease. Baking soda is one of those quiet household staples that can play a surprisingly helpful role in the garden when used with care. Its main strength lies in its ability to discourage fungal problems, especially powdery mildew, which often appears as a white, dusty coating on leaves. By lightly treating plant foliage, baking soda changes surface conditions in a way that makes it harder for fungal spores to settle and spread. This can be especially useful during warm, humid periods, when fungal issues tend to show up quickly and spread fast. Beyond disease prevention, baking soda can also make plants less appealing to certain soft-bodied pests. While it's not a complete pest control solution on its own, it works well as part of a gentle preventative routine. Gardeners who prefer simple low-impact methods often appreciate this approach because it supports plant health without overwhelming the soil or beneficial insects. When used sparingly and thoughtfully, baking soda becomes a practical, easy-to-reach tool for keeping plants cleaner, healthier, and more resilient throughout the growing season. Hack number 8. Milk, a natural defense against fungal problems. Milk may seem like an unlikely garden helper, but it has proven to be very effective in reducing fungal diseases, especially powdery mildew. When used on plant leaves, milk helps slow the spread of fungal spores and creates conditions that make it harder for the disease to return. It also contains calcium, which supports strong plant cell walls and overall leaf health. This makes milk particularly useful for plants that are prone to leaf diseases during warm, humid weather. To use this hack, mix milk with water in a simple diluted solution and lightly spray it onto affected leaves, making sure to cover both the tops and undersides. It's best applied in the morning, so leaves can dry properly during the day. Used once a week, or as needed, this method helps keep plants healthier without relying on harsh treatments. With consistent use, many gardeners notice cleaner leaves, stronger growth, and fewer recurring fungal issues. Hack number 9. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder isn't just a kitchen spice. It's a natural antiseptic that can protect plants from harmful pathogens, especially during the vulnerable stages of transplanting or pruning. When lightly sprinkled around roots or on freshly cut stems, turmeric helps prevent infections and reduces the risk of root rot. This natural protection is especially valuable for seedlings and young plants, which are more prone to stress and disease when first introduced to a new environment. Using turmeric is simple and effective. Just dust a small amount around the base of the plant or lightly coat exposed roots before planting. Over time, the turmeric integrates into the soil, providing ongoing protection while allowing beneficial microorganisms to thrive. Gardeners find that this easy household hack not only helps plants recover from shock, but also strengthens their ability to resist disease, making it a reliable tool in creating a healthier, more resilient garden. Hack number 10. Hydrogen peroxide, the root oxygenator. Hydrogen peroxide might be more familiar as a household disinfectant, but it has a remarkable use in the garden as well. When properly diluted, it releases oxygen into the soil, which is crucial for root health. Healthy roots are the foundation of strong, vibrant plants, and oxygen-rich soil helps them absorb nutrients more efficiently, while discouraging harmful bacteria and pathogens that thrive in low oxygen conditions. This is especially helpful for potted plants or areas where soil tends to compact and drain poorly. To use this hack, mix a small amount of hydrogen peroxide with water, usually about 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 3 parts water, and pour it directly onto the soil around stressed or newly transplanted plants. This provides a gentle boost of oxygen that revitalizes roots and can help plants recover from transplant shock or overwatering. When applied carefully, hydrogen peroxide not only supports root health, but also contributes to stronger foliage, better growth, and a more resilient garden overall, making it a surprisingly simple yet effective household tool for gardeners. Hack number 11. Coffee grounds, a nourishment for acid-loving plants. Used coffee grounds are a surprisingly versatile and valuable addition to the garden. Rich in nitrogen and organic matter, they gradually break down and enrich the soil, making it more fertile and improving its structure. Coffee grounds are especially beneficial for acid-loving plants, such as azaleas, blueberries, rhododendrons, and hydrangeas, helping to maintain the slightly acidic soil these plants thrive in. Over time, adding coffee grounds can improve moisture retention and support healthy microbial activity in the soil, which benefits roots and overall plant growth. To use this hack, sprinkle a thin layer of coffee grounds directly onto the soil around the base of your plants, or mix them into compost for a more gradual nutrient release. Avoid over-applying, as a thick layer can compact and create a barrier to water absorption. Regular moderate use can help plants grow greener, stronger, and more resilient, turning a simple household leftover into a powerful tool for a thriving garden. Hack number 12. Sugar water, for reviving wilted plants quickly. Sugar water can be an unexpected lifesaver for struggling or wilted plants, providing a quick energy boost when they need it most. Plants under stress, whether from transplant shock, heat, or temporary lack of nutrients, can benefit from a small gentle dose of sugar to help revive their metabolism and kickstart recovery. This hack works best as a short-term solution to help plants regain strength and begin producing new growth. To use sugar water effectively, dissolve a small amount of sugar in water, about 1 teaspoon per cup of water, and pour it carefully at the base of the wilted plant. It's important not to overdo it. Too much sugar can disrupt soil health or encourage unwanted microbial growth. Use this treatment once or twice at most, and you'll often see plants perk up within hours. It's a simple, inexpensive way to give your plants a little boost when they need it, using an ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen. Hack number 13. Cinnamon powder. A natural fungicide for seedlings. Cinnamon isn't just a flavorful spice. It's also a natural antifungal agent that can protect young plants and seedlings from common diseases. One of the most frustrating problems for gardeners is damping off, a fungal infection that attacks seedlings and can wipe out entire trays overnight. Sprinkling cinnamon on the soil or on cut stems creates a protective barrier that reduces the risk of fungal growth and keeps delicate young plants healthier during their most vulnerable stage. Using cinnamon in the garden is simple. Lightly dust a small amount directly onto the surface of the soil around seedlings, or on freshly pruned stems. This natural approach helps prevent fungal infections without relying on chemical treatments, allowing seedlings to establish strong roots and healthy growth. Over time, gardeners often notice fewer losses among young plants and more vigorous growth, making cinnamon an easy and effective household solution for nurturing a healthy, thriving garden. Hack number 14. Chalk sticks. For boosting calcium and balancing soil. Chalk sticks, often overlooked in gardening, are an excellent source of calcium, a vital nutrient that strengthens plant cell walls and supports healthy growth. Calcium deficiency can lead to weak stems, poor fruit development, and issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. By crushing chalk and burying it lightly into the soil, gardeners can slowly release calcium over time, providing a steady supply that supports overall plant structure and resilience. Beyond calcium, chalk can also help gently adjust soil pH, particularly in soils that are too acidic. This creates a more favorable environment for plant roots to absorb nutrients efficiently. Using chalk sticks is simple. Crush them into small pieces and sprinkle them around the root zone before lightly mixing into the topsoil. Regular use can improve soil health, strengthen plants from the ground up, and prevent common nutrient-related problems without resorting to synthetic fertilizers. Hack number 15. Eggshells. A natural calcium boost for your garden. Eggshells are one of the easiest and most effective ways to naturally supplement calcium in your garden. Calcium is essential for healthy plant growth, particularly for vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants, where deficiencies can lead to problems such as blossom end rot. By crushing eggshells into small pieces and sprinkling them around the base of your plants, the soil gradually absorbs this vital nutrient, strengthening stems, improving fruit quality, and supporting overall plant health. Using eggshells is simple and sustainable. Rinse them lightly to remove any residue, crush them finely, and mix them gently into the soil near the roots. Over time they decompose and continue to enrich the soil, feeding plants slowly and safely. This kitchen-to-garden recycling not only reduces waste, but also creates healthier, more resilient plants that thrive naturally, making eggshells a small, easy, and surprisingly powerful addition to your gardening toolkit. And there you have it. 15 magical household items that can completely transform your garden without spending a fortune. From matchsticks that quietly strengthen seedlings with sulfur, to eggshells slowly feeding calcium to your fruiting plants, each of these hacks shows that the secret to a thriving garden often lies in the simplest things you already have at home. The beauty of these methods is that they are not only effective but also sustainable, using everyday items in ways that support natural growth and soil health. With a little creativity and consistency, these hacks can turn an ordinary garden into a vibrant, productive, and resilient space that keeps giving year after year. My personal favorite has to be the aspirin trick. Its ability to help plants build natural immunity has saved countless seedlings and stressed plants in my own garden. But every gardener has their own favorites, and that's part of the fun, experimenting, observing, and discovering which hacks work best for your unique garden conditions. Now I want to hear from you. Which hack are you most excited to try first? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and ring the bell so you never miss tips and tricks that make gardening easier, more effective, and far more enjoyable. Happy gardening!